Hi students, we are going to start chapter 10 with advanced corridors, intersections and roundabouts. This chapter focuses on taking your corridor modeling skills to a new level by introducing more tools to your corridor building toolbox, such as intersecting roads, cul-de-sacs, advanced techniques and troubleshooting. You will use advanced corridor targets and work with conditional subassemblies. This chapter assumes that you have worked through the examples in the chapters on alignments, profiles, profile views, assemblies and basic corridors. Without a strong knowledge of the foundational skills, many of the tasks in this chapter will be difficult. In this chapter, we will learn to create corridor with multi-regions baseline. We will also learn add alignment and profile targets to a regions of a cul-de-sac, and we will create surface from a corridor and add a boundary with advanced techniques in this chapter. Please stay tuned with us for more.